boxing promotion fight card. Raymart Gabalio, the WBO #1 and bantamweight rank
Round number 1
against Kebun Torres of Mexico.
In the last fight of Raymart Gabalio, partner, no, he won the WBO Oriental Bantamweight title against Pai Parob dito rin sa Midas Hotel. Ito namang si Kenbon Torres comes from Mexico. Alam mo, partner, pag sinabing Mexico at Pilipinas,
Rivalry.
Boxing,
Rivalry.
Stiff rivals yan talaga sa boxing.
Oh, that left to the body by Gabalio did connect.
The assassin goes to the body.
He's now working early on dito sa fight na to. I'm speaking about Gabalio.
A quick and agile Raymart Gabalio starts off in round 1 with those rapid-fire punches.
Mukhang ininsayo talaga yung ni Gabalio yung left hook niya.
Certainly, partner, no? Kenbon Torres is actually coming from a win also, no, against Cheng Yang. This is in Vietnam in January 2024, and he comes back to the ring facing a huge left hook by Kenbon Torres that catches Gabalio.
Kasi pagpasok ng Gabalio, nakaano yung counter.
Salubong
yung counter.
That compounds.
That left send Gabalio to the canvas.
The left hand of Kenbon Torres catches Gabalio, and he is up. Gabalio goes to the body. Kenbon Torres.
Again, Gabalio is down on the second time on this fight. And this a little bit rubberized leg for Gabalio, partner.
There you have it. Kenbon Torres capitalizing on those two knockdowns with
45 minutes left on that round.
Gabalio with his hands up, trying to cover up.
That upper did connect for Torres again. What a stunning win by Torres, beating WBO #1 fighter by a first round KO, partner.
There you have it, Kenbon Torres.